Part C here, we're looking for the ultimate tensile strength or ultimate tensile stress. They're the same thing. And how do we get that? Well, here's our formula. Question 15, Part C. The ultimate tensile, the UTS, is equal to the max load divided by the original area. Right? Now, original area is 490.87 by 10 to the minus 6. And our max load, we get that from the graph. So if we look at our graph, it maxes out here between these 2 points. Do you see this here? Our graph is going up here and dipping down here. This here is about, we can see from the values we put in, that's about 260,000 newtons here. So we could say that this one gets up here. Let's estimate this to be 261,000 newtons. Right, so that's our max load. So we go down to our formula here and put in 260 by 10 to the 3 newtons in there and calculate that, and it comes out at, well, I put in 261 actually, 261 by 10 to the 3 newtons in there, and that comes out to be 531.7 by 10 to the 6, and we have newtons per meter squared, and that's our ultimate tensile stress or ultimate tensile strength, same thing.